Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute with love Valentine's card. We're using supplies from the Valentine Lettering Box and they are just so cute. We need to start with drawing a heart onto the card, and so this heart shape is a part of the Valentine's printable that's included with the Valentine's lettering box, but you could eyeball a heart or you could use your own stencil. You just need a heart here in the middle. And then I'm going to stick with pencil for a minute and I'm going to letter the words with love. You could letter any phrase, a name, anything that you want in here. You just want something that's going to be short and going to fit inside the heart. Once I feel good about it in pencil, I always start with pencil, then I'm going to go over it with this red Tombow Dual Brush Pen with the fine tip side. So I'm just going over the pencil, and I don't have to trace exactly, but I just want to get as close as I can and just get it to where it's looking good. I'm just going to add the love here, and as you can notice, lettering is a slow practice. It's very meditative, it's very slow. Next step, we're going to trace around the heart. So we just need to go around here. And you can see I had a little bit of shakiness here on the side, but that's okay. Don't worry if that happens. Once we get all the color on there, you're not even going to be able to notice if the heart is a little bit shaky. Next, we're going to do these scalloped edges all the way around the heart. And I did do this really slow, and you kind of want to space it out so that they can be the same length all the way around. But again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Once we get those stripes of color added in, no one's even going to be able to really notice this part. It's just a really fun little detail around this heart. And so I did it so it would end, so one scallop would be on the very end of the heart, the very tip, and there's that. The last thing that you're going to want to do with our heart is we're just adding little dots in each of the scallops. You could do other things here. You could draw little flowers, you could color it in, you could do whatever you would like, but I liked the idea of just doing little dots in each of the little scallops. Next, you want to move your card to be on top of another piece of paper. For this part, we're going to be adding in all of those stripe details that are so cute and fun, but it just helps to have a paper underneath in case you go off of the edge. So I'm going to start in the center with the fine liner portion of the pink Tombow, and so I'm going to do just one line on the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to use the large tip of the brush pen in the red to make a larger line, and then you just want to make sure to kind of go all the way around the scallop, and then I just turned it over to do the same thing on this side, and I ended up doing kind of 2 strokes width is how wide I made that, and it's not perfectly straight, but I wouldn't worry about it. It's like once you get it all in, it just looks really cute and you can't quite tell as much. So I just did that all the way to the edges, and then the ends, I just did that really carefully as to not go onto like the back side of the card or on the inside of the card. But it was just a fun kind of finishing touch to finish that off. And it's a little bit giving popcorn vibes, which I'm not mad about because who doesn't love popcorn? But I love it. I think it's so fun for Valentine's. It kind of has like an old-timey feel and look to it. Let me know if you try out this super fun Valentine's card, and definitely follow along for more lettering and wax seal inspiration and ideas here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.